Students, now we are going to listen a dialogue between two person, and here you can see one is Mimi and another is Naima Jaman, but there now Mimi is Waiter and Naima Jaman is Rumi, and next time Naima Jaman will be Waiter and Mimi will be Rumi. Okay, start your dialogue.
Good morning, can I help you?
Good morning. Can I have 2 fried eggs and a glass of juice?
Sure, what kind of juice?
Papaya juice, please.
I am sorry, we don't have any papaya juice. How about mango juice?
Okay.
Anything else?
No, thanks. That's all.
Thank you very much. Now this time Mimi is Rumi and Naima is Waiter. Now again start.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning, could I have 2 fried eggs and a glass of juice?
Sure. What kind of juice?
Papaya juice, please.
I'm sorry, we don't have any papaya juice. How about mango juice?
Okay.
Anything else?
No thanks, that's all.
Well done. Very good. Well done. Thank you, Naima and Mimi. Now, this time, the dialogue will be played between Mohua and Nirav. Nirav is Waiter and Mohua is Rumi. Okay, carry on.
Good morning. Can I help you? Good morning. Could I have 2 fried eggs and a glass of juice? Sure. What kind of juice? Papaya juice, please. I'm sorry, we don't have any papaya juice. How about mango juice? Okay. Anything else? No, thanks. That's all.
Thank you. Wonderful performance. Sit down. Okay, thank you very much. Now, Riyadh and Debraj. And Riyadh is Waiter and Debraj is Rumi. Start, please.
Good morning, can I help you? Good morning, could I have 2 fried eggs and a glass of juice? Sure, what kind of juice? Papaya juice, please. I'm sorry, we don't have any papaya juice. How about mango juice? Okay. Anything else? No thanks, that's all.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Sit down. Okay, thank you, students. Very good performance, and I'm so much happy. Thank you. A big clap for all.